Hello friends, how are you? And welcome to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how can we scan our computer for viruses. Okay, and that's for free. And for this we don't need to install any other antivirus software in our computer. We can get an antivirus in our computer, and it is named Windows Security. Okay. Just go to Start menu and search for Windows Security. Okay, or we have option here in the task manager task bar. Here you can see this. Okay, the Windows Security. Just double click on it, and then this interface appears in our screen. And for virus and threat protection, go there. And here we have option for quick scan. Okay, and we have other scanning option also here. Quick scan. This checks the folder in your system where threats are commonly found. Okay, and in full scan checks all files and running programs on a hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. And custom scan. Choose which files and locations you want to check. Okay, and similarly Windows Microsoft Defender offline scan also available here. Okay, and for quick scan, okay, as you simply click on it, it scans in those locations where viruses are commonly found. And this is much quicker than the full scan. And our scanning is finished. And here's the result. No current threats. And this is the scan date. 0 threats were found. Last scan lasted for 49 seconds. And 6183 files scanned. Okay, that's all. And we have another option for custom scan. Suppose I have this folder here, online class. Okay, and if I want to scan this folder, I just need to right click on this, and there we have scan with Microsoft Defender. As we click on it, it will scan this folder. Okay, and we can see the result here. No current threats. Last scan date, 0 threats found. Scan lasted 1 second. 57 files were scanned. Okay, in this way we can perform the custom scan, where we can scan only the selected files and folders. Okay, and this was for today. And please like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thank you.